Parents and students of ESbio and honors biology. So the test I passed back today, students did pretty well on them. If you want to see how they did, it's on today's bell ringer. You can check the spread on how many A's, B's, C's, D's had. 39 A's, 26 B's, 2 C's, 3 D's, 4 F's. If your son or daughter wants to retake a test, they can only retake one the entire semester. They need to choose which one they want to do, and we're approximately going to have maybe 3 more tests left in the grading period. In the grading period, in the rest of the semester. So that's basically what's happening right now. This week, actually, I want to apologize. This is not getting out sooner. The big things I want to have is they're going to give a couple things of notes. There's a quiz. Looks like it's going to be on Thursday. I may push it back to Friday, but right now the earliest it'll be is Thursday. There's an exercise 1 on Moodle. It's a good way to study for this quiz. So if you go to Moodle, here, and you want to make sure that you click on textbook worksheets. Now we're on chapter 12, and there's the notes right there above it, exercise 1 right there. So that's where that is, and that's a good way to study. In addition to looking over your bell rings, you should be doing anyway. What was I going to do? I'm going to go back. And then also before we close, and there's the notes are right there, so you can actually download the PowerPoint, reread the PowerPoint. I have a couple students that print out the PowerPoints, and like for the noted with the lines next to it, like print out the PowerPoints with we can put notes on it, and some students do that and then take notes on those slides when I write stuff on the board or highlight important things. You can always welcome to do that as well. Don't have to, but it's just an idea. Other things you want to make sure, anything that's a practice, you want to make sure son or daughter has a perfect score on, because if it's a practice and it says practice in RenWeb, that means it can be done multiple times. We don't have as many of those in my honors classes, but they're more than welcome to do that, to get the perfect scores. And a lot of that stuff closes at this grading period, and then I won't open it back up again. It's just I can only keep opening it up over and over again. So that's kind of typically how that's going to work with that. So this week, like I said, major things, possible quiz on Thursday. I may push it back to Friday. So that's pretty much it with for this week. I'm sorry, guys, this came out a day late, later than I'd like for it to have. So we're looking at a quiz over 12.1, 12.5 in the textbook. You may want to read that stuff too. It may help you if you don't understand what's going on. I'm going to try to put some videos up that may be beneficial for review as well. So I kind of hope that helps, and have a good week.